Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Are you spending way too much time on social media? If so, don't worry because you're not alone. Social media is literally at our fingertips wherever we go. You can open up an app and be swiping through Reels, TikToks, or posts for hours without even realizing it. And while being connected to the internet and social media platforms is convenient, research suggests that excessive social media use is linked to increased levels of anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. So, what can we do about it? Well, today we'll be talking about 4 ways to protect your mental health when using social media. So, let's get into it. Number 1, compare yourself less. Do you ever feel bad about yourself after seeing other people's Instagram posts? Let's say you log on to your Instagram feed and see a friend's post of them at the beach looking super happy and healthy. Then you might compare your own life to theirs and think, I wish I was there. Or maybe you look at a fitness influencer's post of their workout routine and feel bad because you haven't exercised yet today. Well, you're not alone. Research from the University of Manchester found that comparing yourself to others on social media increases feelings of loneliness and inadequacy. The study states, social comparison on Facebook leads to negative mood states and reduces well-being through 2 routes, by increasing perceived negative social comparison and by decreasing positive social comparison. This basically means that instead of feeling inspired or motivated by others, you might feel worse about yourself and your own accomplishments. But don't worry, because there are ways to stop this from happening. In the first section of the study, participants were asked to write down their own good news and then rank how good they thought the news was. After that, they were shown some neutral statements which either emphasized the commonality of the good news or made it seem like the news was rare. For example, if you wrote that you got a good grade on a test, the neutral statement was either most students got good grades on that test or few students got that good a grade on that test. When the researchers told the participants that most people had similar experiences like them, they felt better about their accomplishment. So try to focus on the fact that everyone has strengths and weaknesses and is dealing with their own problems that you can't see. By reminding yourself of this next time you feel like comparing yourself to others, you'll be able to feel more confident in who you are. Number 2, practice mindful scrolling. Did you know that each like or comment you make on social media produces a little hit of dopamine, which is a feel-good chemical in your brain? That's why it's so hard to put your phone down when you pick it up. Once you start scrolling through your feed, you just want to keep going. However, too much dopamine can lead to a decreased ability to feel pleasure and satisfaction in everyday life. This means that the more you use social media, the more you'll need to use it to get the same level of satisfaction. So, what can you do instead? How about trying mindful scrolling? Mindful scrolling is exactly what it sounds like. It's bringing your awareness to what you're doing when you're scrolling through social media. This can help you catch yourself before you start feeling like you need to buy the 5th pair of leggings with pockets because every TikTok ad tells you you do. By becoming more aware of your thoughts and actions, you can take control of your social media use instead of letting it control you. You could also try asking yourself questions like, do I really need this? Or, will it really make me happier? Before you buy anything. If you find that you're using social media to escape from reality, then you should definitely take a break and do something in person. This could be going for a walk, reading a book, calling a friend, or taking a class. Number 3, limit your screen time. Have you ever heard of screen time? Screen time is a feature on iPhone devices that lets you monitor how long you spend on apps. This feature also allows you to set limits on how much time you want to spend on the apps each day. When you reach the limit you set, your phone will send you a notification letting you know that you've reached your daily limit and will block you from using the app until the next day. Setting limits for yourself can be a helpful way to control your social media use and reduce the amount of time you spend on it. While screen time is a great tool, you can always try setting limits for yourself without it too. You could simply decide to only allow yourself to use social media on the weekends or for 1 hour each weekday. And if you're worried that you won't be able to control yourself and set a timer for that hour and stick to it. By limiting your screen time, you'll have more time to focus on things in real life that actually matter to you. Plus, you'll be able to get more sleep since blue light from screens makes it harder to fall asleep. And number 4, take a social media break. If you're really struggling with spending too much time on social media, then you should consider taking a break altogether. A 2018 study found that taking a break from social media can improve your mental health and well-being. In the study, researchers recruited 159 undergraduate students and randomly assigned them to one of 3 conditions. The first group was told to stop using all forms of social media for 7 days. The second group continued using social media as normal, and the third group reduced their social media use by 30% each day throughout the experiment. After 3 weeks, the researchers found that the first group, who completely stopped using social media, reported significantly higher levels of happiness and mental well-being compared to the other groups. They also experienced less loneliness, stress, and depression. These results suggest that reducing or eliminating social media use can help you focus on other important areas of your life and strengthen your relationships with the people around you. And if you're worried about missing out on something important while you're on break, don't be. The study showed that people who took a break from social media didn't feel like they missed out on anything important. If you're still worried, though, you can ask a trusted friend to keep you updated on anything important that comes up. Do you think you'll try these tips? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with those who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. The references and studies used in this video are added in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in our next one.